Applying makeup is an art that demands precision. It's about shaping, defining, and enhancing each feature. And today, I'm going to create a bold, structured expression that celebrates clean lines. I start by sweeping the gray-blue shadow right across the eyelid, using the brush L'Ombreur. Next, I use l'estompeur to soften and blend the edges, creating a smooth, flawless base. Now I take le traceur and add some definition by applying a sharp line along the upper lash line in the deep violet shade. With a nomad brush, I gently blend the line for a subtle yet striking effect. For added definition, I frame the eye by applying the blue-green shade along the crease, using l'estompeur de précision. I now brighten the inner corners by applying the golden shade and then softly blending it outwards. For the lashes, I opt for the indigo violet mascara, coating both upper and lower lashes for a dramatic yet elegant effect. And onto the lips, where I apply a slick of rouge Hermès in rose mauve for a vibrant, polished finish. The end result? A masterpiece of contrasts, in which every line and shade exudes pure precision and elegance. This is Hermès.